Department of CS and IT was established in 2003. It offers BTech in IT and BTech and ME in CSE. Department has state-of-the-art 2 computer centers with dedicated 12 labs and 4 SIG and 2 project labs. Department has experienced and industry-trained faculty who are proficient in latest technical domains. We focus on 360-degree development of the students through Student Syndicate, giving one-to-one mentorship and guidance to the students. IT sector is in the forefront of technology. The software developed by the CS and IT engineers forms the backbone of all the smart devices we use today. Small devices which monitor your oxygen level and heart rate, mobile operating systems, remote sensing devices, smart wearable devices, driverless vehicles, e-commerce, remote sensing, robotics and automation, medical diagnostic and imaging, virtual reality and augmented reality, stock markets, banks and financial sector, software implementation with advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning have made our lives easy. At IST, we follow the best practices in teaching digital pedagogy with the combination of online and offline mode enhances the experience of the students. Project based learning through industry mentoring, skill based learning through various SIGs, and holistic development through various clubs forms the basis of the learning curve at CS and IT department of IST. Department of CS and IT has collaborations with organizations of international repute. For online coding chapters, we have Facebook Developer Circle, Google Developer Club, CodeChef, SkillRack, and GitHub. For Learning Academy, we have Amazon Web Service Cloud Academy, Red Hat Linux Academy, Microsoft Imagine Academy. For online training platforms, we have IIT's NPTEL and international platforms like edX and Coursera. Also, the professional bodies chapters of ACM and IST is available in the CS and IT branch. SIGs are the backbone of student skill enhancement. The first and second year focuses on logic building and code programming, followed by database and web development. Third and fourth year focuses on new technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data analytics, IoT and iOS, app development, blockchain and cybersecurity. These SIGs are implemented in the labs by the expert trainers. The results of these SIG is that the students of IST excel in their startups and placements. The prime example of success of SIG is the Smart India Hackathon 2020, which was organized by Government of India, Ministry of IT and HRD. Two teams won the SIH 2020 in their respective categories from Department of CS and IT and won the cash prize of Rs 1 lakh from Government of India.
My name is Ave Gupta. I am the leader of the team Legionnaire, and our problem statement is to make an AI chatbot for the health related information which is given to us by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And I'm very much happy to share with you guys that team has emerged out as the winner of the Smart India Hackathon for this problem statement, and we are so much grateful to our Director General Sir Arun S. Bhatnagar for his constant support and believing in us, and all the faculty members of Indore Institute of Science and Technology. Thank you.
My name is Sanskar Srivastav. I'm a student of CSE department in IST Indore. Our team participated in Smart India Hackathon 2020, for which we won a grand prize of Rs 1 lakh in the finals. Our project was issued by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs under the statement BC 76.
A special skill up program for the placement preparation is conducted by CS and IT department. Students are trained to crack technical interviews of multinational IT companies, the resultant of which is shown in the high number of eligible students placed from the department in companies like TCS, Accenture, Extentia, Amazon, Wipro, Cognizant, etc. Special aptitude and personality development training in the Skill Up program by dedicated and experienced faculty of the PDP cell ensures that the students are well presented in the corporate world. There is huge potential for career development in CSIT branch. Students have opportunity to work as cloud architect, game developers, data scientists, artificial intelligence and machine learning engineers, mobility services, database analysts, UX designers, cybersecurity experts, blockchain and cryptocurrency, and in smart cities.
My name is Farah Akhtar, Senior Developer at Tata Consultancy Services. Being in the IST family has always been the right path. The friendly environment, the systematic approach towards imparting education here has made me a competent individual. My most treasured memory is about anchoring in the events, because the annual function here is the most amazing thing. It's outstanding and beautiful. And all the teachings which I've got from DG sir, from our principal and dear teachers, to get up every day and do my best every day. And I try to follow that with utmost sincerity. Because one day we'll own a telescope and our favorite part of the sky too. Thank you.